Okay. So now you got the soils and you got the basin. You can play with it and see where things are. A lot of guys, if you don't need it, delete it. Right? Topographic, we don't really need this. We can remove it. You got the basin, you got the soils layer. I will go zoom because this is smaller. All right. So we're going to use a clip tool. How to use a clip tool? Well, you go to view, you click on the little toolbox, go to clip, right? This is the way I usually do it. Click on it. Input what? We're going to, so what's larger, right? The soils is larger. So we're going to clip the soils to the basin feature, and it's going to create right here a new feature class. Okay, so we'll actually be able to get rid of these if we want. And we're going to run it. Now watch. We're going to get rid of this, get rid of that. And now you have soils underscore clip feature. Now they're both, the soils is clipped, literally clipped to the basin.